Struggling to find a digital piano that feels real, fits your space, and keeps you motivated to practice? You're not alone. With plastic keybeds and thin speakers everywhere, it's easy to end up disappointed. In this video, we break down the 7 best digital pianos that solve those problems and help you play more, sound better, and enjoy every minute. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Donner D-DP300. If you have been wishing for the touch of an acoustic without the size, the Donner D-DP300 is a sweet spot. The graded feel gives weight to the bass and a lighter response up high, so your fingers learn proper dynamics from day one. It immediately makes scales, chords, and songs feel more musical and less mechanical. What stands out is how full the built-in speakers sound. Dual tweeters and a dedicated low-end driver create a warm, room-filling tone that makes practice sessions feel like mini performances. You do not need external gear to enjoy rich bass and bright present treble. It is also a friendly living room companion. You get 10 polished piano flavors, enough polyphony for layered passages, and quiet practice thanks to dual headphone jacks. The partition mode mirrors pitches on both halves of the keyboard, making side-by-side lessons simple and comfortable. Creativity-wise, you can connect by Bluetooth, audio out, or MIDI to learning apps and recording software. Metal pedals feel sturdy underfoot, which is rare at this price. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Flatsons. Flatsons aims to give beginners and returning players a grand piano vibe without the grand price. Fully weighted, graded keys teach your hands to play with intention. 6 levels of touch sensitivity help you develop a real sense of control, so soft lullabies and bold movie themes both land the way you intend. The sound engine captures delicate overtones and resonance, so sustained notes bloom instead of dying off quickly. That realism makes long practice sessions more enjoyable and keeps your ear engaged. It is the kind of tone that gently nudges you to add expression rather than just hitting the right notes. For learning, it is loaded with tones, rhythms, and demo songs, so you can explore styles without extra gear. An adjustable metronome keeps timing honest. The clear display shows what is happening in real time, which avoids menu diving and lets you focus on playing instead of guessing. Connection options are modern and flexible, from wireless MIDI to plug-in MIDI over cable for lessons or recording. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Alesis Recital Home. Alesis Recital Home is designed to be furniture and instrument in one. The elegant cabinet and included 3-pedal unit immediately make your space feel like a music room, not a practice corner. Sit down, and the graded hammer keys respond like a real piano, encouraging proper technique and confident touch. The sound library is surprisingly inspiring. With layered and split options, you can combine a warm piano with subtle strings or pair a bright piano with an electric texture for modern ballads. Add reverb to place yourself in a virtual hall, and suddenly simple pieces feel cinematic. Beginners and improvers will love lesson mode, which mirrors the keyboard for teacher and student. It removes the awkward reach across and makes demonstrations crystal clear. A built-in metronome, easy transpose, and simple touch controls reduce friction so you develop consistency faster. Everything you need is in the box: a sturdy stand, a music shelf for your tablet or sheets, the 3-pedal unit, and power. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Alesis Recital. Alesis Recital is a flexible keyboard for players who want portability without sacrificing feel. The full-sized, semi-weighted keys have adjustable touch response, so you can tailor the action from gentle to punchy. That adjustability helps you find a comfortable setup whether you are practicing scales or jamming with friends. 5 core voices cover the essentials, from acoustic and electric pianos to organ, synth, and bass. Built-in chorus and reverb add depth, and the speakers are powerful enough to fill a living room with clean, clear sound. It is simple, direct, and very playable. Connections are straightforward. Plug in a sustain pedal for expressive playing, connect headphones for silent practice, or route audio to powered speakers and bigger systems. If you want to play at the park, it can even run on batteries, which makes it a great choice for small gigs and community events. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Wenkai 8817. Wenkai 8817 blends an authentic feel with a home-friendly look. The fully sized, touch-responsive keys react to every nuance, so your dynamics translate naturally. Play gently, and it sighs. Dig in, and it roars. You immediately get feedback that trains your hands and ears together. Its sound engine, based on a respected piano source, gives notes a resonant singing quality. Chords have weight, and repeated patterns do not blur into mush. That realism keeps practice musical, which is exactly what sustains motivation through the early stages. The included wooden stand adds stability and an upright aesthetic that looks great in a living room. A built-in dust cover protects the keys and doubles as a tidy surface when you are not playing, so your space stays clean and intentional. For self-study, the USB MIDI port connects to lesson apps and recording tools in seconds. Plug in headphones and practice late without waking anyone. The combination of authentic touch, convincing tone, and home-ready design makes Wenchai 8817 an easy recommendation. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Donner DDP90. Donner is purpose-built for modern apartments and family rooms. The compact cabinet saves space without feeling cramped, and the slow close lid protects fingers and keys while keeping dust out. It looks neat and blends with contemporary decor, which means it earns a permanent spot in your home. The keyboard offers a responsive, weighted action with an ivory-like texture, helping beginners develop confident technique and expressive control. Because the bass feels heavier and the treble lighter, you build the same habits you would on a traditional instrument. Sonically, the piano samples are lively and dynamic. From gentle lullabies to energetic recital pieces, you hear the difference in articulation, which teaches your hands to shape phrases. 128-note polyphony means fast trills and pedal work remain clean, and a solid triple pedal system lets you practice half pedaling and expression right away. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Wenchai 130Z is one of the most complete home pianos in this list for the money. The fully weighted graded key bed teaches proper finger strength and dynamic control, so moving to an acoustic later feels natural. From the first week, you will notice cleaner timing and more confident touch. The sound is the headline. A modern chip and high-power stereo speakers produce a rich, room-filling tone that flatters both delicate pieces and bold film themes. The cabinet design with stylish mid-century legs looks fantastic and helps the instrument live in your home, not just in a corner. Beginners get a huge creative playground with many timbres, rhythms, and demonstration songs. Recording and playback are built in, so you can listen back, spot mistakes, and improve twice as fast. It is the perfect feedback loop for self-learners. Connections are generous, with MIDI over modern and classic ports, plus a headphone jack for quiet practice. The included pedal setup means expressive playing from day one. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best digital pianos you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.